Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. Today we're going to see 2 easy salads for lunch. First, I'm going to make tomato mozzarella salad, which is very quick and easy. Let's go into the video now and see what all the ingredients we need for both the salads. First, I will be showing you the tomato mozzarella salad. For this, I've got 2 mozzarella packets and then some cherry tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, lemon. I have cut all the other ingredients, the tomatoes, onions, and now I'm going to take the juice out of the mozzarella cheese balls and make small slices so that we can use this for the salad. I always use cherry tomatoes for my salad. They give a nice crunch and taste to the salad as well. So now I'm going to show you how to do the dressing. First, we will arrange everything on the plate. The mozzarella cheese, cherry tomatoes, onions, and now I will show you the dressing. So let's do the dressing. You can also use balsamic vinegar for the dressing, but now I'm going to show you the olive oil dressing. I've used extra virgin olive oil, and into that I will be squeezing the lemon juice. It gives a nice taste to the salad. Make sure you take the seeds out. We don't want the seeds on our salad. Next, I'll be adding some coriander leaves. Dressing any salad is about your taste, so you can use basil leaves as well. Now I'm using some chili flakes just to give a little bit of kick to the salad. So the dressing is ready. I will mix it nicely and we will just pour this on the plate. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel Jan's page for more recipe and updates. Mix everything well and just drizzle it on top of the tomato mozzarella cheese salad. The onion gives the nice crunch. The tomato mozzarella salad is ready for lunch. Whenever you are in a hurry, you can make this recipe. Next, I will show you rice salad, which is also quick and easy. Whenever you have leftover rice in the fridge, you can try this salad. Here I am taking 1 cup of rice which I had from last night in the fridge. Just take a fork and do as I am doing it. Sometimes you don't have any gravy, you just have the leftover rice from last night. You can use this. It is cooked rice. And now I am going to put some peas, celery, carrots, onions, anything you like, and some olives. Olives gives a nice taste. So all the mixed vegetables, whatever you got in your store cupboard or in your fridge, you can add for this recipe. Salad actually. Mix the vegetables nicely with the rice and we will be using the same dressing which we used for the mozzarella cheese salad. Just going to drizzle it on top of the rice and mix it together well. After that, I'll be adding some chili flakes as well, as per your taste. If you want, you can add more as well, but I just like a pinch. And again some more dressing and it's ready. Again, as per your taste, you can add some salt and pepper if you wish. Salad is ready. Both my salads are very healthy. They are 1 of 5 a day and they have got all the nutrition benefits. So if you like our video, please share and subscribe to our channel Jan's page. And if you want to see more healthy salads, please comment in the comment box. I will see you soon again with another video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share.